today we're going to be making the best boiled corn on a cob. First, we have to wait until the water is boiled. You cannot salt the water before you add in the corn. The corn will be very hard, but we can salt the corn and put butter, and even put butter on it afterwards. When the water is boiled, you can put the corn. Corn is floating. When you have added the corn into the boiling water, you can cook it to 4 to 7 minutes. Our corn has 7 minutes. Take the corn out. We like to top our corn with butter and salt. You can also do it. After we have put the salt and butter on your corn, you can let it cool because it's still very hot. Sandy, try it! That literally melts in your mouth and it will disappear really quick. It's so juicy. Good. There's nothing I can say about it. The rest I can't describe it. Perfectly cooked. Thanks for watching.